What's happening, everybody? This your boy Snow. Welcome back to the mobile lab. I'm in this thing sliding. So, as y'all know, I'm going to FRAGCON. Let me ask y'all a question. Are y'all bringing a check bag? See, I want to bring a check bag because I have a feeling that I might come back with some fragrances, because there are some fragrances that have recently been put on that I'm like really excited to see that are going to be down here. And I just want to make sure I can get it back in boxes that the smell goods came in, and I want it to really be safe on the way back, because you know how it is, man. So I don't know, am I tripping? I'm only going down there for like 2 days, but it's like, I know me, I'm thinking I probably should bring a check bag that doesn't have a lot in it, but I don't know. Let me know what y'all doing. If y'all are like, all right, Snow, go ahead, man. You know you're gonna come back with it. I'm going to bring that check bag. But y'all know what I'm doing in this thing. I'm always going out here trying to find smell goods and in all price ranges. So I'm gonna come back with bangers, high end, or I shouldn't say high end, because if it's good juice to you, it's good juice. So that's high end to you. But fragrances in all price ranges, no matter the budget, that people should be able to enjoy. I think smell good, that I'm gonna share with y'all. So stay tuned for that. I'm really excited about that, man. From what I've been seeing, from the things that are gonna be down here, also just the fragrance community in that area, I'm really excited about this trip and what I get to do on this trip, all that good stuff. So yeah, man, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. I really am excited, man. Y'all talk to me in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all are excited about. Let me know if there's any fragrance houses that y'all are particularly excited to see, and put any in the comments that I should be paying attention to while I'm down there, or that y'all will want me to get my nose on, so I can come talk to y'all about it. All right, man. As always, man, make sure you like, comment, repost. Y'all be easy.